how to hide apps in mobiles. Hello guys, in this quick tutorial below, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So the process was same for almost all devices. So for that, I will simply go to settings. Here you guys can search for HID. HID. Now here you guys can see hide apps, so simply click on hide apps. Here on end you guys can see hide apps, app lock, private safe, system cloner, so simply click on hide apps. Now it will ask for privacy password. It was the password that maybe you guys can add it to your WhatsApp or Instagram, or sometime you need to give your phone password, so I will simply give the password. After that you guys will see all hidden also on top right corner setting options. So for example, I want to hide my authenticated app, so I will simply click here. Now here the question is how I can access these apps. So for that, you guys can see on top right corner setting option, to simply click on that. Here you guys can see privacy password. So simply click here, change access code. Here you will simply write access code, so whenever you want to access these apps, you need to dial that code on your dialer. So for example, I want to give access code like that, #123, again hash. After that, click on that bookmark. Once you click on that, now click on that done. Now I will simply go to my dialer. Now here I will search for a #123 hash. Once I dial it, my hidden apps will be short. There's how you guys can do that. It was for educational purpose and it was available in almost all mobile devices. There's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.